haven't been on here in forever. A couple of things though before I get started showing you my Boxy Charm stuff. Some of you might know because you follow me on Instagram. I have two Instagrams. I have a personal one and I have a public one. My public one, I went ahead and changed the name to my new metal detecting channel that I have. So if you guys follow me and are confused, that's why. I just didn't want to create a third Instagram, so I just went ahead and changed it. But I don't know if you ladies would be interested at all, but like I said, I do have another channel. I've been doing a lot of metal detecting lately. I just really love it. It gets me outside. I get to do it with my kids. Well, right now it's like super duper hot, so they don't last very long, but I do magnet fishing with my son. I love it. So if you guys, feel like it, if you want to go over there and check me out, or subscribe or whatever, support your girl, that'd be awesome. I mean, totally understand if it's not your thing, but that's where I've been doing a lot of stuff with them. And as for crafts, I have made some cards and stuff. I post them on my Instagram. I haven't done any card tutorials. Well, actually, I haven't done a craft tutorial since this lady gave me a hard time and said my voice gave her a headache. So I was like, forget it then. So I shouldn't be like that, but that's how I was. And I've been getting craft stuff. Like, I got this cart and I put all my stamps in here, and I got some stamps, and that's like new stuff, but it's from a no-no site, so within the crafting community, so I don't show those, unfortunately, but it is what it is, right? So anyways, I wasn't on here to share my Boxy Charm from last month, so I wanted to share it with you guys. This is the card from this month. I don't have the card left from last month, so I don't remember the name of it. But I got this pack of Luxie brushes, and no, I haven't used them yet, but because I have brushes already that are already dirty, and I'm kind of like, oh, I don't want to mess them up. Not to mention some of this stuff, if you really do have extra, you can save it and use it as gifts and stuff for people. So, I mean, I don't have a lot of like personal people like that I know that wear makeup. I guess I could think of a couple people that I know in person, but like my friend Brianna, she loves to wear makeup, my friend Amy, so I figure save them up if, Okay, so the next item, and these are full-size items. Like I said, I don't have the card, so I don't have the price, but this next one is lashes. So the last time I wore false lashes, they looked great. Even my husband loved them. And these are from Baddington. Isn't that a cute little name? Baddington Lashes.com. This is the Monroe 3D silk lashes. But by the end of the day, my eyeballs were red. Like the whites of my eyes were red. So, and I've never smoked pot before in my life, but it looks like that's what I did. So then I got this, I'm pretty sure this was the last box, this Pure Sculptor. Yeah, I think this is it. I've used this quite a few times. So this, you can see me. This, oh yeah, look, so that's one of the things I got. See my phone case right there? It's Supernatural, for you Supernatural fans. That's Sam and Dean's car license plate, if you can see that. Anyways, so it has these two, like, what's the word? Highlighters, and then these two bronzers, and they're super duper duper dark and super pigmented, but you just use like the tiniest bit and like blend it in, and you'll be good. I've used them a couple of times, but those are like on point. Then I got this Alamar Cosmetics. This one is, if you guys know, she's a makeup girl. She's big on YouTube, Kathleen Lights. This is actually like her friend that she grew up with was starting her own little makeup line, and this was her first item to come out. Her this eyeshadow palette. And this eyeshadow palette, they're both Cuban, so it represents Cuba for them, their heritage. So all the colors, and it's just beautiful. I love it, and it's crazy pigmented. I love wearing this one. This one's kind of deceiving. It looks like super gold, but I had it on in one of my metal detecting videos, and it's like almost a green. It's so pretty. That I barely touched that. Look at that. I barely touched it. Oh my gosh, you could be a mermaid. Now where am I gonna wipe it? I got a paper towel. So that's awesome. So you get that full size, and it's like 20 bucks a month with free shipping, and you get 5 full-size products. Oh, and then this one. Oh wait, did I get this? Yeah, this one. This is like a brown, a matte lip paint, and it's like brown just like that. I used to wear brown when I was in like high school, but I don't wear brown in forever. So the next one, the one I just got today, is called their Road Trippin' collection. And let's see, I got this Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel from Dr. Brandt, which is an expensive brand. And it says that it retails for $42. And you could pause that if you want to read that. So that's awesome. And then let's skip to this one because this one's buried. So this is the Wonder Beauty. I've never seen an eyeshadow, or not eyeshadow, mascara in this kind of tube, but maybe I'm just like late to the party. It's called Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara by Wonder Beauty. So it's in this pretty tube, and I love the color. And it says it retails for $24, and I'll pause that if you want to read that. So the next product I got, it says Note Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. Let me see if I can open it with one hand. Bianca, are you there?
Yeah.
Will you come open this for me? Mm-hmm. Oh wait, I think, I'll take that out of there. So this one retails for $11.99, and it's some kind of designed for all skin types. Paraben-free blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness. Can you open it? Mm-hmm. Just, yeah. So this is the color. That's pretty. And it's Desert Rose.
It smells good.
I have the candles on.
It smells like flowers.
Flowers? Oh, smell me.
Yeah, that's it.
Yep. See the sparkles? It was from one of my, because I work for Bath and Body Works. I got a hair on my lens. Oh gosh, I just went blank. Anyways, that's a blush. It's the Happiness little spray she could smell, but it has glitter. Oh wait, I wasn't done. Oh, I'm sorry. I got sidetracked. So the next one is, uh-oh, I might need you back. I should have had this done, maybe not. So I was kind of sad when I opened this. Wait, I think I got it, yeah. When I opened this, because I'm sure it didn't leave BoxyCharm broken. Well, I hope it wouldn't leave BoxyCharm broken, but it came to me with a broken eyeshadow. There I am, hello. I tried to mat it down. I have to get like some alcohol in a spray bottle, but look at these freaking colors. Oh my Jesus. I love them. So this is Crown Pro, called Crown Brush. I don't know. Retails for $29.99 now, and that's the Fuego eyeshadow collection. So Fire eyeshadow collection. And I'll pause that if you want to read that. Or you pause that if you want to read that. So yeah, guys, that's what I got from my 2 BoxyCharm. I've just been hanging out. I go to work. I work 2 jobs. I got the kids. It's summer. Crazy busy. I go metal detecting. We go magnet fishing. Like today we went to a local museum here in town, and we got a tour of the museum, and the kids did a scavenger hunt, so that was fun, and they won some lollipops. I don't know if I already said that. This is my second time trying to record because I was trying to find this card. Yeah, Let me see. Do I have any new cards? I might have put them away. Let me check. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to record this in a different video for those of you that just wanted to see the makeup because the video is long enough. So if you want to check out the cards that I made, you can pop on over to the next video that I'm going to upload. It's not going to be very long, but all right, I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye.